Hello and welcome to the Friendly Lens Jump tutorial series. In this series, we will learn how to build the most popular Dino game using Web3. We will use the Lens protocol to view and challenge our friends. So Friendly is a social gaming platform created by the team behind Revise, a leading NFT backend service. Gaming will be the primary way people will connect and form friendship in the next decade. To make this smoother, they are enabling gamers and creators to build and own their own ecosystem using Web3 architectures. They had recently launched their first game named Lensbird, which had over 30,000 gaming sessions in the Lens ecosystem. And with more games to come, we are building this content to invite more people to build games with the social element. Before we start building, let me give you some brief about what is Lens protocol and what exactly are we going to build in this tutorial series. The Lens protocol is a decentralized platform for building and deploying social applications. It allows developers to create applications that are fully decentralized and censorship resistant, while still offering a great user experience. In this tutorial series, we will use the Lens protocol to build a Dino game that can be played and challenged by the friends in a decentralized and secure manner using Web3 technology. Some of the best applications built on Lens protocol include Lenster, which is a decentralized social network built on Lens protocol that allows users to connect and share content without the fear of censorship or data misuse. The next one is CryptoTanks, which is a blockchain-based game that uses Lens protocol to allow players to buy, sell, and trade virtual tanks. So now that you have a basic understanding of what is Lens protocol, let's get started with building our own Dino game. This game will be a simple web application built using the popular web framework Next.js. Alternatively, you can also use React.js if you want. In addition to the Next.js, we will also use some libraries offered by the Lens itself, ThirdWeb, and Wagmi. You will get a better understanding of where and how these libraries are used when we build the game step by step. We won't be focusing on building the Dino game itself. Our main focus will be implementing the Web3 social features into the game. To get started, head over to the GitHub repository and clone the boilerplate code, which already includes the Dino game. We will focus on the next parts of it. Let me explain the complete process of how the game will work. First, you need to log in with your Lens handle. If you don't have a Lens handle, you can get one on the Lenster testnet. To complete this process, we will need the MetaMask wallet in our browser. We will explain how to install and connect it when we start building the game. Once you have logged in with your Lens handle, you can start playing the game and score as much as you can. When the game is over, you have two options. You can either replay the game to improve your score, or if your score is satisfactory, you can challenge your friend. To challenge your friends, we will load your friends from your Lens profile. We will get a complete list of your friends, and then you can select a friend you want to challenge and send them a message on their Lens profile with the link. They can use this link to accept your challenge. Once your friend receives and clicks on the link, they will be redirected to our game. They will need to log in with their Lens profile and start playing the game. Once they surpass your score, they will get an alert that they have beaten you, and they can post this on their Lens handle as well. So this was all for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we will clone the boilerplate code, install the required dependencies, and initiate our MetaMask wallet account. See you in the next tutorial.